Halo, selamat pagi. Aku hari ini mau bersiap untuk petualangan di Singapura selama 2 minggu ke depan. Nah, ini aku baru berangkat dari rumah. Terus nanti dari rumah ke rumah orang tua diantar ke airport. Ikuti terus ya sampai 14 hari ke depan. Diantar sama ponakan-ponakan. Sudah check-in, siap mau ke boarding room. Di antara sama Yesha, sama Almira, maminya. Siapa namanya? Ade. Ini siapa namanya nih? Ade. Aye.
Ade namanya siapa deh?
Ini namanya siapa Al? Syafira. Pintarnya.
Buka sana, buka hijaunya. Iya, nggak mau memang. Maunya bebas lah.
Di Jakarta. Udah nyampe Terminal 3. Kita mau ambil bagasi dulu baru check-in lagi. Capek. Sampai Singapura bersama teman-teman. Ambil bagasi dulu. Changi Airport. Look at that. Ini terminal berapa ya? Sampai di imigrasi Changi. Udah nyampe kamar di Value Hotel Thompson. Tuh kamarnya kecil, sekasur berdua. Kamar mandinya look at that. Tidak ada jet spray-nya dong. My god, harus bawa jet spray sendiri. Oke. Segini dulu. Hari ini capek banget. I see you tomorrow. Selamat pagi, sudah sampai di Nanyang Politeknik sama teman-teman dari Poli Manado. Dekat bawah. Kalau di Singapura, eskalator wajib sebelah kiri ya guys. Kalau nggak mau jalan. Tapi kalau jalan di sebelah kanan. Gitu.
Nanyang Polytechnic. That's the name that comes comes to mind when people ask me which polytechnic they should go to this polytechnic than just that.
I believe my students are a reflection of this polytechnic. I want them to be successful in their lives. And for that to happen, it is important.
The way the shape is like that, if you look at the whole campus as a whole, it's like a giant running track. So it's one round, you see, you can go one round. That's why from here you can go any block. It's like one round. From here you go until there, go one round, you come back here again. So it's just a giant running track. So you can never get lost.
Ini kan tadi ya, kita ke sini ya?
Yes.
Change its roles, right? Because number one, libraries used to be a place to borrow books, not to borrow books. For example, for us, we have a whole digital library. Just can we use the library? Borrow books, no. But to sit here,
Biryani.
Bukan
Bukan.
basmati.
Bukan basmati.
gimana kita makan?
It becomes, even though we try to break the so-called, we try and do something fantastic. And next is non-linear learning. Now what?
Kita berkunjung ke Makerspace Studio. Ada market house.
Kayak itu, iya. Tapi ini Pak kayak apa ya? Semacam nanti jadinya kayak bukan boneka sih, kayak apa ya?
Oh,
Kayak
patung gitu ya.
Gitu lah. Ya gini-gini lah Pak. Gini.
Iya. Wah, ada tangannya sih. Wednesday. Kita mau jalan.
Mana tinggal di apartemen.
Oh iya.
Jadi
Kita tidak
ada dapurnya dan segalanya. Oke. Panggil saya Eddie cukup.
Oke,
Eddie, Bang Eddie.
Here is the bird, they call it Kagura, same as the Jakarta Kagura, yung aeroplane, the name Kagura.
Oh, Garuda.
Singapore Flyer.
$40.
$40.
No need to go lah, no nothing lah. Okay,
Sebelahnya ada Esplanade.
next you see is the Garden by the Bay. You see
Garden
two
by the
shell, look like the shell, the building, they call the dome. The flower dome and the forest room.
We give feedback to the company and said, you make a student on attachment become the money changer. What's wrong with your finance people, right? So all you have to do, which is what we did in Science Center, we have a list which we update every week. What is the approximate exchange rate of the major currency? If you come with a different currency, we just take that rate and we accept, and then we give you the equivalent, right? And then at the end of the month, maybe they go to a money changer and change, and we don't care about the differences. It's a small thing to do. For the tourists who I don't know come from where and wanted to see this, right? But first, the staff must have the mindset that I should.
Maybe, yeah, but it's too hard because the distraction.
Wah, check out pun sekarang udah ada mesinnya, jadi tinggal.
Exit room key only.
Yes.
Oh, check out ini.
Iya.
Jadi nggak perlu ke resepsionis lagi. Ini kita tur ke Marina Bay. Bay Sands. Jadi seberangnya Marina Bay Sands adalah Garden by the Bay. Look at that.
But you must have these 6 things inside. Alright? So it's very hard to get them to do this. They are not used to it. So your students, do they diligently take notes? Or they just like to tell you? Don't tell me until you have write it down. Really, they don't want. So first mission, I really had to persuade them. I said, oh, by the way, because I need it for the report.
Foto session bersama.
Ini bukan ini Pak. Bukan video ya Pak.
Ever happen, right? Wow, students so enthusiastic. I want to do this, and then they cannot find information. I cannot find the book. I cannot find the people. Right? Or my students say, hey, I want to do this at this location.
Hari ini mau coba sholat Jumat di Singapura. Dan this is the masjid.
Ada yang disebutkan sebagai kantor now. Kalau bentuk ni dia boleh jadi, akan jadi. Tapi kalau dalam bentuk now ni, dia confirm jadi. Kalau contohnya dalam masalah saya kata saat dhahabu ila masjid, saya akan ke masjid. Tak tahu bila. Hari ini ke yang dipergerakkan, yang diadakan, itu dinamakan syai' sesuatu. Sesuatu ini merangkumi segala aspek. Bangunan boleh dinamakan sebagai dalam kategori sesuatu. Artinya, jangan sesekali sebut walaupun perkara itu kecil. Allah SWT beritahu kepada Rasulullah, walaupun perkataan itu kecil, sekecil.
The visitor are keying on the live registration. So please demonstrate how to handle this situation. Sorry, many typo here. And by the end, what the output we
Waalaikumsalam.
Everyone, thank you. So we are here for the frameworks to this situation. So there are 2 situations that we are conducting this day. First, we reception for operator, and then for the retail services, especially in the atmosphere of the retail room itself. Students must make some good service, especially to set the shopping atmosphere in the retail shop that can give more comfortable situation. Well, there are 3 lessons plans actually related to these situations. First is integrated marketing communication, which is linked to the retail services, and then English for services in a restaurant, as well as public speaking is related to the first situation. The knowledge we are first, we have the preparation, plan and organize information needed. So if there is something missing or there is something happen in the future, the students can prevent or can give some solution and some solution and suggestion to the customer. And then the second is a great customer Green customer, well, means like salutation itself, as well as, of course, mastering the product knowledge, which continue with the vocabulary. And mastering the vocabulary is very important because without mastering the vocabulary, they will not be able to explain more. Okay, next is a gesture, which is needed in the English for services and also public speaking, as well as also responding behavior, which is to serve the customer. And then next, consumer journey. It means that the beginning of the process, the shopping process, from the beginning until the end of the shopping process. And then the last is responsiveness, which is the anticipating some cases or some things happen. For example, in the English for services in the restaurant, if there is an allergy, so the student can be initiatively to ask the customer to ask and suggest whether the food could be changed or not. And then the ability here, based on the situation, first is able to interact the customer positively and accurately. And then the second, which is related to the second situation, is able to make a good customer journey. Well, the assessment here we have, first is a field study, which is practicing in the classroom or in the field of the study. And then role play, it could be done in group or pair. And then the last is presentation. That's all.